The early withdrawal form is only entered for clients who are completely out of the study. So this is a form that is only available to evaluation staff members. Interventionists cannot see it. But if somebody passes away, for example, or if they did not complete the baseline within window, then we would want you to complete one of these early withdrawal forms. The date of withdrawal is the date that they were terminated from the study. In the case of the baseline not being completed within window, that would be the last day of the baseline window being open. But we ask for a little bit of detail. So for example, if they passed away, we would like to know what their their date of death. Inactive loss to follow-up is listed here, but we encourage you to keep clients listed as active even if you have trouble finding them. So inactive loss to follow-up is, even though it's listed, should not really be used. If the client has moved to Nepal, then maybe it's appropriate to enter that here, that they've moved out of your area. But in general, we do not complete an early withdrawal for a participant who is hard to find, even if you've been reaching out to them and you haven't been able to contact them for 6 months. We still want them to be considered active so that you're prompted to continue trying to find them through the remainder of the window in which they should be followed. If you have questions, please contact your ETAP group. We are happy to help. Again, anytime that you're making a change here, please feel free to click on the Save button early and often.